Well, hello there, ladies and gents. I'm Tammy Sipniewski, your crypto queen. Thank you so much for popping by my channel. Please know that this is not financial advice. I'm only here to entertain you, but I will say this. Try to only buy on those red candles. And today's video is sponsored by Lucrosus Capital. Thank you. So what is Lucrosus Capital? Let me read the opening line from their website. The first decentralized venture capital providing institutional opportunities to individuals. That sounds wonderful, but what does it mean? I'm sure you know what a venture capitalist is, but just in case there's someone who doesn't speak English that well, or maybe they don't know what it is, a venture capitalist is a person or an entity that finds an upstarting company or a person that has a plan, and they give them a capital infusion. And this helps them get that project off the ground and running. Not only do they, put money into the project, but they also bring to the table their knowledge, how to grow the company. Think about it this way. Look at Peter Thiel. He was the venture capitalist behind Facebook. Would Facebook be Facebook if not for Peter Thiel? Probably not. And to make it even easier, I probably should have started with this one. Think Shark Tank. They have a beautiful website, and it goes into depth explaining exactly what Lucrosus Capital does and is. But let me just put it to you this way. Make it very, very simple for you. How would you like to be a venture capitalist for as little as $50? That's basically what Lucrosus Capital is. It's going to be the first venture capitalist cryptocurrency. How awesome is that? So their token is going to be the LUCA token, but it's not launched yet, and you can participate in this presale directly from their website. I am going to leave a link down in the description box. Whatever you purchase, they're going to give you 5% more if you use the link in the description box. For the past few days, I've been looking through the website, checking out the white papers. I think it's very interesting. I am going to purchase into this token. You can do it on the website, so I'm going to walk you through the steps. So they do have a nice little informational video that I plan to play for you because it just basically lays out everything that Lucrosus Capital is going to be. But here's the thing. I've decided to purchase into Lucrosus Capital, not because of what they are, but what I can get from them. On top of being a token holder, and of course, it's going to be like any other cryptocurrency, here's the big benefit. You get to sit in on their meetings. Now, why that's so interesting to me is because I know I'm going to be able to learn a lot from what these people are saying. Number one, what the venture capitalists are telling these people and what these other people are saying in return, the questions that they're asking in turn. I'm kind of just picturing me being a fly on the wall as this group of very intelligent people sit there and just strategize and exchange ideas. It just sounds wonderful. That kind of exposure and information alone is going to be absolutely amazing. This is basically going to be a launching pad for new businesses, whether people are starting cryptocurrencies or maybe a physical business. The Lucrosus Capital token, the LUCA token, is going to fund that. And being that we're token holders, we get to vote as to what companies we want to invest in. Let me go ahead and play that video now for you.
New cryptocurrency projects and keeping up with the market is a real time consumer. Imagine you had your own team of experienced crypto market experts, not only to do it for you, but also hyping and supporting your investments. All that with the privileges of being a fund, such as early entrants and more favorable prices than individual investors. Here comes Lucrosus Capital, the first decentralized venture capital focused on fostering development of the most thriving blockchain ideas. With our help, project developers may obtain required resources which are essential for growth of projects. Our commitment is rewarding not only for them, but also for our investors. Responsible for this is our token, LUCA. This token allows its holders to participate in all investments made by the funds thanks to our shared allocation program. In Lucrosus Capital, we also make use of achieved profits and buy back LUCA tokens from the market to reduce circulating supply. Additionally, LUCA owners can benefit from other token utilities, including staking, deciding about timing of buybacks, enjoying Lucrosus Capital's research, or participating in direct meetings with developers of cooperating projects. Become the partner of Lucrosus Capital and let's revolutionize the future of investing together.
Let's go down the website to where it says Token Utility. Discover a progressive income strategy created to decentralize VC and provide investment opportunities to each individual investor or an institutional basis. Shared Allocation Program. Token hodlers will be able to take part in our Shared Allocation Program and participate in the invested project in accordance with their tier. They're also going to institute a buyback program where they buy back their own tokens and destroy them. This way, our tokens will be more valuable. This is a governance token, so we'll be able to vote on things. And obviously, the more tokens that you hold, the more voting power that you have. Here's what I'm interested in: access to highly advanced research. To increase awareness regarding investment process, community members of Lucrosus Capital will be able to browse through professional research documents created by our team. There's going to be staking. Staking your LUCA tokens will not only increase your voting power, but also have influence on an allocation size. And here is where they detail the allocation program. Access to direct Lucrosus investments will be possible by meeting the criteria of the following tiers below. The more LUCA that you hold, the greater allocation you can get. Check our white paper for more details. Obviously, the more money that you put in, the higher your tier will be, and the more money that you have the potential of making. But I want you to know that this is decentralized. So anything that's decentralized, it's risky. It's a gamble. It's not 100% for sure that you're going to make anything. Please keep that in mind. And remember, the big things that I always tell you to look for are the devs doxed. And yes, they're doxed here. Do they have an audit? Yes, they've been audited by Hacken and they passed their audit. And now we come down to the tokenomics, and they're going to have a total of 1 billion tokens. It looks like the way that they're doing this pre-sale, it's in staged phases. There's going to be a total of 100 phases, and right now they're at stage 18. Every time they launch a new phase, the token price gets higher and higher and higher. As it stands right now, they've raised over $500,000, so that's good. They also have white papers, which are very extensive. So I suggest if you're interested in investing here, definitely read those white papers. And when you scroll down a little further, you can actually see the section where you can buy into the LUCA token. You can buy it with a credit card, you can buy it with Coinbase, or you can buy it with a regular cryptocurrency. From here, if we wish to participate in the pre-sale, we have to sign up on the website. So we hit sign up. It's going to ask us for our email, and we have to create a password. And like everything else, make sure you write it down because you don't want to forget it. And it's going to ask you to put it in again. Now, once you hit continue, it's going to send something to your email. It's going to send you a 2-factor authentication. You have to put it in before the time runs out. Okay, so now I'm signed in here. So now I'll go down to where it says purchase the LUCA token. Okay, so I'll choose 1,500 and I am going to scroll down to buy crypto, and I will choose my payment. I'll pick USDT. I have to put my email address again. And I'll choose proceed to payment. Now it's telling me to send the funds here. So I go to my wallet, and it gives you a barcode. So you just scan the barcode, boom, and then I hit next, 46. And then I just go through the steps, and then I just hit send, transaction submitted, and it says complete. So done. So the payment went through. Now I just have to wait for the receipt to hit my email inbox. And down at the bottom of the website, they do have all of their social media links. I'd say, at least join the Twitter, but they also have they actually have everything down there. But at minimum, I would say join Twitter. This way you can keep up with whatever they're announcing. It seems like a lot of these guys are Polish, so it would be nice to get them on a channel for an AMA. Just, any questions that you might have or that I have. Be nice to have them answer them in person. If you're thinking about throwing a few bucks at LUCA, please use everything that I have down there in the description. It's going to help me, and it's also going to help you. You'll get 5% extra tokens. And that's going to do it here for me today. I thank you so very much for joining me. Remember, until next time, try to only buy on those red candles, and please take care of yourself.